Hello, experiment for today because I don't work between noon and 5. It's 1 o'clock now. Okay, so here's the deal. I got this flour, all-purpose flour, but it's keto-friendly, low-carb, all-purpose flour. It's high fiber, high protein. I'm desperate, guys. I'm desperate because I can't have regular flour. So this is what I did. I love popovers, so I made my popovers, and I nibbled into one. I got some extra over here, but I nibbled into one, and it tastes okay. It tastes okay. Yeah. Doesn't taste exactly like regular flour, but it comes damn close. Whoops, sorry, didn't mean to swear, but okay. So with that, I made a delectable Cob Salad with where's my dressing? I lost my dressing. Here it is. Homemade blue cheese dressing with my special blue cheese from Road River Blue. Okay. So, on my Cob Salad here, I got a lot of good stuff. I got an egg. I got some sliced chicken. Bacon, gotta have bacon. Tomatoes, lots of greens. Got a couple different kinds. I got romaine and green leaf lettuce. A whole avocado on there. Tomatoes, crumbled blue cheese, and some sliced Swiss cheese. It's packed full of deliciousness. So I'm going to eat that with my homemade blue cheese dressing, and I think I'm gonna have 2 of these because I already nibbled into one. I already took a bite. I had to know if it was good, and it was pretty good. I mean, it's not as airy as regular popovers, but that's okay. That's okay. It comes close, and now I'm going to sit and eat. So, what's my blood sugars right now? Hold on, I gotta press the button. 169 going down. Okay. And I took a little bit of my bourbon, and that's supposed to help block the carbs or break them down easier. Anyway, keep an eye out. I'm in the 170s. I'm going to have some delicious Cob salad. I'm going to have my delicious popovers. They go great with salad. And I think for dessert, I'm going to have a high protein chocolate ice cream made with my creamy. So stay tuned. Everybody watch out. I mean, well, you're probably asleep, Eileen, so you're going to have to see this when you get up. But anyway, stay tuned. We'll see what happens. I'm ready to eat a delicious meal. Okay, bye.